Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am going to show you how to easily edit PDF files using the powerful PDNob PDF editor. This AI-powered tool is designed to be smarter, faster and easier, making PDF editing a breeze. Whether you need to edit text, images or even add watermarks and links, PDNob has you covered. With PDNob, you can do so much more than just basic editing. With PDNob, you can do so much more than just basic edits. You can convert PDFs to over 30 different formats like Word, Excel and images, plus it has 200 plus annotation options including stickers, highlights and stamps. It's even smart enough to use OCR technology with 99% accuracy, turning scanned PDFs into fully editable and searchable content. Best of all, it's available for Windows and Mac. So the download link is available in the description below. Once you have installed and launched the program, click Open PDF in the upper right corner to import the document you want to edit. It's that simple. Let me now guide you through the 7 standard features that make PDNob PDF Editor a must-have tool. One of the most innovative features is the built-in AI function. Accessible on the right-hand side, with just a few commands, the AI can summarize the content of your PDF, saving you hours of reading time. With just a few simple commands, you can ask questions and get detailed answers in seconds. For example, if you want a summary of a long PDF document, you can just ask the AI to summarize it and it will give you a concise overview, saving you hours of reading. But that's not all. You can also ask it specific questions about the content. The AI will analyze the document and respond with the information you need. This means you don't have to sift through pages of text or spend time searching for key details. The AI tool can also help you find specific sections, highlight important information, and make your workflow faster and more efficient. The comment feature offers multiple annotation styles like highlight, underline, and strike through. Additionally, you can enrich your document with stickers and stamps, making your annotations more engaging. Simply select the style or sticker you need, position it where required, and click to apply. And with PDNob PDF Editor, you can modify text, add new text boxes, and even insert images. With the link function, you can create hyperlinks to external files or web pages. For further customization, resize your pages using crop page or enhance your document with watermarks, backgrounds, and header or footers. The Convert feature allows you to export your PDFs into other formats such as Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, making sharing and collaboration a breeze. The Page feature gives you full control over your document's layout. You can rearrange pages, extract specific sections, or split the document into multiple files. Additionally, options for inserting, replacing, or deleting pages provide unparalleled flexibility. And if you are worried about unauthorized access, the Protect feature lets you secure your PDF with passwords. Set one password for opening the file and another for editing permissions, ensuring your content remains private. Finally, the Tools section is packed with extra. With Merge PDF, you can combine multiple files into one document. With Compress PDF, you can reduce file size without compromising quality. And with screenshot, you can capture parts of your PDFs for presentations or explanation. So PDNob PDF Editor is a versatile, affordable solution for all your PDF needs. Whether you are a student, professional or casual user, its extensive features and ease of use make it an excellent investment. Click the link in the description to download it now and take your PDF productivity to the next level. So that's it for today's video. Give it a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.